It's gonna be an expensive burger. Oh! So there you go. This is our Boracay vacation. Good morning, everybody. As you can see, we have some improvements. Some shelving and stuff like that to keep things a little bit more organized. Got some more electrical cords being just run just temporarily because the roof is getting redone in order to power different things like the signs and be able to put fans on different sides. To have it running extension cords on the ground. Little things matter. We have extra tables now, extra chairs. It was a busy day for that yesterday. It is a beautiful day this morning. I don't have much of a voice yet. It's becoming a thing. It's becoming a thing. Too much talking every day. Everybody comes up to the bar, so we talk all day. And I didn't fully heal from that cold I had in the throat anyway. It never worked. It's like, no, you can't. You're gonna be like this for a bit. So this is a really nice morning. Still got the big waves. Beautiful sand. Beautiful day. It is a Friday, so beginning of the weekend for us. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. We open in about, I guess, 1 hour. Just got Joe in there right now, just getting the bar prepped and stuff like that. And I think we have one cook here. All right, look at this, look at this. Look at that. This is thanks to the fellow Canadian, Dave, and Gurley over here. We'll see her show her in a second. They brought us all kinds of cool stuff because they're like, we're going back. Look at that, right there. Now let's show the beaver though. That's the most important part. So there you guys go, right on our money. Oh, right on our money there. There's the beaver. Our 5-cent have the beaver. Then we got a loonie and then we got a toonie. A loon, and this one's got the polar bear.
The Canadian coins.
That's right. So $1, $2, and 5 cents. But we got our beaver. Finally got our beaver thanks to this guy.
All right.
Thank you so much. That's awesome. And he also brought like random other things that I was like, wow, that's so cool. Like, what's the chance we're going to find all the different colors that, just in case you get hurt. We got some pills here that help you get energy. We got essential oils for different things that might have going on. Check out these glasses. They have lights on them on both sides. You pull the pin, and then that way, if you're in a dark area, they're also safety glasses. So think about it. When I was going in the caves, that would have been amazing. And some other random stuff. So thank you, Dave. That's so cool. All right, let's go see Gurley. This goes on the fridge too, okay? Magnet. All right, so Gurley here. Thank you so much for the gifts. That's so cool. And you got your
driver.
You guys came all the way up from Iloilo, but you're from Iloilo.
Yes, I am.
Originally,
from
right?
Yes.
And how often do you think you'll be able to get back now? I know the pandemic kind of got in the way of a lot of things, but now, how often do you think you're coming back?
I think Dave wants to come back every 2 years.
Every 2 years.
All right. Every 2 years, so that puts us 2025.
Yes.
Oh no, it's
2026.
26.
Oh, I lose track of
Yes.
time, my goodness. And this is your taxi driver who drove you all the way from Iloilo, and it turns out somehow you guys are all related.
Yes.
Yeah, friends.
Oh, really? Oh, your
Friends of
sister's
the
friend.
sister.
Yeah.
Sister's friends.
How small world. So what do you think of the bar? How's things going?
Awesome place, awesome beach, awesome vibes. We love it. We're gonna have lunch. I'm looking forward to a beaver burger.
I was going to ask you.
Yes,
All right,
that's why
fantastic.
he drove all the way here.
Love it.
This is
Absolutely.
the
love it.
purpose.
Yeah.
For lunch.
And the guy's still on the meter, just so you know. This is
Yes.
going to be an
No.
expensive burger. How cool is that? Thank you, you guys. You guys are amazing. All right, Dave's getting his very first beer because it's beer o'clock now. And frosted mug, everything. Nice, right?
Nothing like hanging with the beavers.
That's right, hanging out with the beavers. Well, if you're thirsty, leave it to beaver.
Ang inuman, sayang bulutan.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Look at this, it's Joe's birthday. Woo! And the kids are all excited in the background too. Oh! Is that tradition or something? I thought you stick the whole not the whole cake in their face. How's she supposed to blow it out? Wait, if you don't blow it out, do you just stay 29 forever? Maybe.
She's 33 now.
You'll stay 29 forever if you can't blow out the candle. You'll never get older. Wait, come in. Birthday. It's Joe's birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Jo! 33!
I know. How many lighters do we need, guys?
Why 30? Jo is 33 now.
Yeah.
30!
Are you complaining?
Huh?
I would never complain. Somebody got mine wrong.
Thank you for the candle.
Yay!
Family!
Oh, it's from the Beaver family. Look at that. Although we got her age wrong, but it's in the good way. It's in the good way. Minus 4 years. Well, guys, we have almost another full house. Right now we have 2 empty tables in total, and things have been going good. As you can see, we have some big groups here. Things are great. So yeah, it's been actually really good. I count my blessings, right? I've been very, very blessed. And more people are arriving. I can see them now. You can tell because they're looking for parking, so they go really slow and try to find places. Walk down the beach. Many places, you know, Bitoys has got music playing. There's stuff going on. They actually have dancing, so people can dance to their DJ. But for the most part, a lot of the restaurants close. They're just seafood restaurants, you know. They close at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, that kind of thing. And then we end up getting all of the business. Well, maybe not all, but enough of the business. It's been great. So a little update here. So Laura is going to go see her mother. So one of her cousins came with her 2 little daughters, daughter and son. And we put them up over here at San Antonio. And they've been spending the day here at the beach and enjoying life and keeping Laura absolutely thrilled. She's so happy to see her cousins. Anyway, and they're going to go back tomorrow and bring Laura to visit her grandparents, who she hasn't seen in over a month. And considering that she used to see her grandparents pretty regularly, it's like a surprise. They don't even know yet that she's going to show up. So I know they're going to be elated and excited. And after this weekend, because Catherine has been really, really working very hard here. It's been stressful, obviously, with everything going on. So I decided I'm going to treat her. And we are going to go to Boracay on Monday. We'll go there for 2 nights, 3 days. We're going to stay at a really nice resort, the Henan. Which one? Henan Lagoon. That's right. Henan Lagoon with a room that faces the pool. And she's going to get her break that she's desperately needing and deserving. Keep in mind, we get no sleep. I have no voice right now. Continues. Because the construction guys have to be let in at like 7:30 in the morning. And often we're not done everything and going to bed till 3 o'clock. So it's been a very long time that she has had a good night's rest. You know, even if I let her stay and sleep in, there's construction going on. It's very loud. So she deserves it. It's going to be fun. So look forward to another. I haven't been back to Boracay in, 2.5 years. So it's going to be interesting and great. And we're right in Station 2. Should be really good.
Families from Iloilo.
Wow. Hello, everybody. So this group just showed up. I have no voice. I just got here. And they straight from Iloilo and Calgary. And yeah, I was like, wait a minute. They all started calling my name. Big. So many people all at once. And I was like, yes, I love Filipino families. There you go. All right, welcome to the Beaver. Wow, and look what they brought. They brought us Canadian hats, a whole bunch of Canadian pins, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different provincial flags of Canada. That is so cool of them. And look at this. So Laura also gets in on all the treats. And look at that. Canadian chocolate. Wow. So this is going to be the CN Tower very soon. Another Beaver drink. The chefs also got new uniforms now. Look look at that. Look how professional they're looking. You guys are looking good. Looking fly, guys. Yeah. And even our bartender there, he's got his own apron. Oh, it's ready. Okay, here goes. So this is the CN Tower. He's still working on the garnish. Yeah, he is. Nice. And all the staff are wearing their Canadian flag pins now with pride right there. Thanks to John, he gave everybody pins. And even Kat's got a Canadian hat too now. Okay, we have another waitress now, a new beaver. There we go. Lynn, say hello, Lynn.
Hi.
And Lynn is, this your third place you've been a waitress, right? I think third place, yeah. So she's got plenty of experience. She's right now greeting people when they come in. So those that come in today get to meet Lynn. Actor? All right. Shout out to John Stavros in Malta.
Yes.
He's in Malta right now. Wow. And his family are here visiting. How was everything, guys?
All good.
Did anybody try the burger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Amazing.
Fantastic. Thanks for coming in. How cool is that, eh? All the way from Malta, Italy, but don't say that to the people living in Malta, apparently. They have like a little battle over there that we're not Italy, we're Malta. So, and I don't know anything about it. Anyway, shout out to you, brother. Nice to meet you. Well, good morning, everybody. Our first break is about to happen. We're heading to Boracay for 3 beautiful days. 2 nights, 3 days. We're gonna be staying at the Henan Lagoon, which is like a real 5-star, beautiful place. I splurged a little bit for the young lady because, well, she's never been to like something like that, and I think, yeah, the rest is needed. You can hear it in my voice still. Still there. Yes, I know. If it's still there when I get back, I'll get the antibiotics. But for now, maybe lots of rest. Rest might do it. So yeah, at the bar, we already had 2-3 tables and a takeout order this morning, and not bad for the first hour on a weekday, because we don't really expect much during the day. We usually get most, like you'll see, there's only two, well, there was 2 staff, one just came. Most of our staff come at like 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, that kind of thing, and go to close. So we're always busy at night. So today in the mornings, it's always just cleaning up, getting rid of all the garbage that might have blown in and that kind of thing, clean the beach, get everything set up. That's what the morning is. Anyway, we're excited to go to Boracay. Oh my gosh, I haven't been there in almost 3 years? Yeah, almost 3 years, so time to go. Bye-bye, Archie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We got lots of Archie babysitters. Oh, that was a bit different drive than I expected. We're only in Calibo right now, so we're like an hour away. And yeah, beautiful drive, don't get me wrong, beautiful. But wow, that was so uncomfortable. Somebody wore a beautiful dress. It does look great, but that means she has to sit sideways. And that means she takes up more seat. And every time I have to brake, she slides forward and they never return. And you end up like this, on my back. I wanted to take the bus all of a sudden. I'm like, oh my God, let's go. I can watch a podcast and eat snacks. Anyway, we're only an hour away. I haven't been to Calibo, maybe a year and a half since I was here last in Calibo. And wow, the amount of expansion that's taking place here, it's like a big city now. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna have to come back, just do a whole new vlog here. Well, because I didn't really do one here before. It was mainly for the events like Ati-Ati-Han, but it's really nice. Well, we got our parking here with the chickens. We are here, and you just past where you catch the railroad. There's a little parking place. You just have to ask police or anybody. They'll tell you. There's different ones. This one's how much was it, Darla? How much was to park here?
150 one night.
One night, so 300. Yeah, so 300 for us for a bike. So not a car or anything like that. And they're open 5 to 7 p.m. only though. You got to keep that in mind. And there you are. That's exactly where we take it. So this will be my first time in a long time having to pay the full price to come across. Because if you live on Boracay and can show a long-term lease, they will give you a barangay card 50 pesos. That's all it costs to go back and forth. But it's going to be, I think, around 400 for us. So. Oh, sorry. So we went to 4 different counters, got 4 different things, but we missed another counter for another payment you have to make. For an additional 450 pesos. It's like 1,000 pesos. Wow. Just to get the Boracay. So yeah, big advantage to be a local. 100 pesos for 2 people if you live on Boracay. Almost 1,000 pesos. Oh, more tickets? Which ones? You want those ones? All right. Thank you. We got a lot of people. See. Hello, which ones do you want? That one?
This one, sir.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the book ticket, sir, you need to fill out. Just
Oh.
write your name and home address.
Okay.
On the table, there's a pen.
Thank you. Whew. So many things. I'm not used to this. Well, I remembered it during COVID. It was crazy, but now it's easier, but same price. They must have a huge amount of money coming in from this. But we're very close. There's the boats. All right, so we are in Prince Shion, and I just learned something that Filipinos, X is a C letter instead of like the Chinese that uses a sh sound. So yep, that's the price of paradise, guys. That's all right. Spending this kind of money to stay here, you're not shocked. Hey guys.
Hello.
The luxury. All right, officially, as of now, we are finally on break. Well, that was crazy timing. Some kind of a siren just goes off. Yeah, break time starts now. We finally are on our little vacation-ish thing, because up until this point it was sweaty, hot, uncomfortable. We're not going to count that. Okay? Now's the time for us to relax with the gigantic siren that just went off at the last minute. But we're here. Let's go get our overpriced e-trike and get to our hotel. So there you go. This is our Boracay vacation.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.